Hey guys, why do I always go for that, you know? Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do a 90s, 2000s style like photo shoot. So we're gonna do a 90s makeup. This is my kind of, I don't know, I'm extra, you know, I like a little more dip on my chip. So I went a little bit crazy just because I had big lashes. I knew it wasn't, you know what I mean? So I did like a kind of chola look. I don't know, I did some thin eyebrows. That's why, you see, now y'all see why I have some bangs now, don't you? And then we're gonna do our hair. We're gonna pick our outfit. So let's see, if you want to see if I could, if you want to find out if I did the 90s, 2000s, too many words, bro. So let's see if we could do this. I'm over it. I already tried too many times. You guys know what? Just keep watching the damn video, because obviously I'm struggling really hard. Just keep watching. Girl. So I be picking my eyebrows when I'm like watching TV and stuff, and like it gets so bad until I have no eyebrows, but I don't even care because I draw them on. But this is perfect because we need some really thin brows, because I searched up on Google. I googled a bunch of 90s inspired, 2000s inspired like makeup looks. Obviously I know what it looks like, but just for inspiration I looked it up. I looked up the backgrounds. We're gonna try to edit the picture and put the little airbrush background and everything. So we gotta achieve this makeup look first. I am gonna go a little bit extra, obviously. Oh my god, I look terrible. I can't believe I'm on camera like this. We still want to look cute, but we still want to achieve what we're going for, the original idea. You know, you want people to look at it and be like, oh, I get what the fuck. Totally hate that. That took so long. I said I wasn't gonna go crazy, and here I am going crazy. Going crazy. Like, why did I do this right now? I didn't have to do all that, but of course I did. I know contour and all that was like not in or whatever, but I have to contour. I'm sorry. That's like the only way I feel confident in myself. So since I probably can't play this song in my video, just go ahead and enjoy me singing a nice 90s inspired song. Here's Sunday Afternoon by Lighter Shade of Brown. We were chilling in the park, just waiting. I'm just kidding. Another aspect of this look, do thin brows, period. I got this Fashion Nova dress and I unbuttoned it because it looks like the picture, which I'll show you guys right now, the picture of her cardigan where the buttons are open or whatever. And then I got some 90s inspired mom jeans, and even though this is kind of tight fitting, I think it's gonna be fine for what I'm trying to go for. We're doing okay. I wanted to put a ponytail with the scrunchie, but I don't have enough hair. And then I thought about doing some fake hair, but it's black extensions. My hair's my natural color, which is brown. It looks stupid. So now what we have to do, that we have achieved our makeup and everything like that, we're gonna put up a white sheet for our backdrop. Since we're gonna put a white sheet for the backdrop, we're gonna take some cute ass photos in front of our setup or whatever, and then we're gonna go into Photoshop and we're gonna Photoshop the background little airbrush details, because I don't know how else. That's the only way I could figure out how to do it. I don't know. I did look up some inspirational like background images and I screenshotted them so that if anything we could just cut out the airbrush items and just put them in the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our background. So I have this white sheet and it has pineapples on one side, but that's not the theme we're going for. So I'm gonna put the white side up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang it, and I'm gonna, so it's flat, I'm gonna fold it backwards so that there's no like seam, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm gonna grab a thumbtack, put that here, and do it for the rest. It's not even holding that well though. Just getting, okay. Why is not working, honey? I don't get it. Okay, there we go. ¿Sí? Eso. Mira. A ver. Ay. It looks so good, Holmes. Damn, there's no more freaking thumbtacks, yo. I literally need like one more. Oh, I know. Ow! Ha! Okay, so now I have this backdrop, and you're saying to yourself, that looks like shit. But guess what? The frame is not gonna be this, what you see right now. It's gonna be different. Alright, so let's take some pictures. Boom, so I went straight to it, right into portrait mode. Had to get it going, had to get it popping. Boom, posing. I was like, let me be like a chola, let me act like a Latin queen. What? No. So none of these pictures were coming out for me. I wasn't loving it right away. So I'm like, let me go over to Snapchat, because Snapchat has the filter that makes you look airbrushed. I wouldn't have to edit as much. You already have a filter, a nice angel face. Let me stand up instead. Sitting's not doing it right, but I immediately regret my decision, because standing up, I just don't even know what I look like. I don't even know what I look like. So I'm like, let me sit down. And then I'm like, oh, this is why I forgot. I don't like sitting down ever. I'm just gonna stand for the rest of my life. So update, changed my outfit. Was not feeling that. We're gonna try this again, round 2. Again, went straight into portrait mode, just like picture day in middle school. Hated that also. Maybe that's why I hated all of these pictures. Who knows? But my outfit was a little bit better. So I ended up picking this picture. I blurred the whole entire image, and then I changed the color of it. So I changed the hue into like a baby pink color, lightened it up to what I wanted it to be. And I went ahead and started adding some stickers. I added some stars, and I changed the opacity of the stars. And then I went ahead and added some like glitter, little stars. And then I took that image that we searched earlier, and I cut out the airbrushed heart from it. I made a bunch of duplicates of it and changed the opacity of that too to match everything else in the photo. Went ahead and fixed the background to how I liked it, and then I just blurred the whole image again one more time. I got the same photo and cut myself out and then put it over the silhouette from before, and then that ended up giving me a nice shadow. It gave like a good illusion of like what like it would really look like, you know what I mean? And then I just softened it. I blurred it a little bit, and I softened the whole image, the whole entire image. I softened it to give it that airbrushed look. And this is the final photo. Alright guys, and that's what I came up with. In my opinion, I think that it came out pretty good. It looks like a 90s, 2000s photo shoot to me. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if I did a good job. Oh, you know what I mean? Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.